Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. Now I need to rotate my device real quick. And following that, you need to select Send on tablet over here and Receive on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one photo, just send and tap on Get It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here and select Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!